Rolling. Action. Guilty! You told me you were going to town to buy something. This is what you're doing here with this stupid... What?
Passing by my store.
Just shut up. Just shut up. Now get into my car. This is stupid nonsense. Nuisance. Just don't tell me nonsense. Look, get into my car. Quickly.
And I was passing by and I saw it.
So what?
Cut, bye.
My landlord, they worry me. Why this old man they worry me like that?
Oh boy, I know what's an MF.
What do you know about the Yawa boys?
Oh, Charlie, Yawa boys be dope. Seriously, be fan of
Yeah. It's coming.
Watch out.
Yeah.
It will hit your screen soon. Sharp.
What do you know about the Yawa boys we are shooting?
Yawa boy, the mobile coupe. Na me pamucho. Mama share program bi ebium. Enu nkwana. Time na so amon share. Na wo swag na be mo a o chense mma no. Ya advice said the mama. What you say? Nya be me bia na obehu ne dress and as na wa follow into it. Mo watch very soon eba kaka.
Yo.
And I swear
pump back up. What you say you will be see a show me Yawa boys. What about thinker? Yeah, a more decade. What would you cry? We cry and say agro. What is it?
Nata, Yawa boys.
What up, it's your boy SARKODIE, baby, pump it now. Yawa boys reloaded, with a chale banga. I am a Diago, with my boy,
Junior.
Yawa boys today. Yawa boys.
Yeah.
So what is happening, Yawa boys?
The shooting is going on, and a banger will be on watch out.
Yeah.
So I seriously, Charlie, on this side.
Straight.
With the Makacham Dada. Yes,
The goal.
Say something.
What is someone?
Yawa
Yeah,
boys.
yeah.
I am mon share. We say no mon type na eja. Mo ho ne ekọ. E na advice my yamba no man na ya mo ni chance cars no. Mo. Se mo awu ni mo ho dada. Beauty one in town may back out very soon.
A Drobian cannon. Yawa boys.
Yawa boys. Yep, yeah.
Yo, DOP, sound, everything, Yawa boys.
Yo, Yawa boys. And I record, Pampi.
Yeah, it's Obian watch out. Moving on YouTube, Yawa boys. They will see a new level. I Uche production. On it, Odeshiba, champion.
Someone.
20 years old.
Oh, I'm here for reaction.
So, Daddy, what do you see about this now series we are shooting, Yawa boys?
Well, it's splendid, it's good, it's fascinating, it's exciting. So, well, I think it's going to win people. It's going to teach people a lot of lessons to know how to...
And Daddy, see your daughter over there. That is your daughter. What does exactly you have to tell your daughter?
What? Junior!
So, Daddy, it's all about Yawa boys.
Yes.
Yawa boys. And this is my dad. Very mafia dad. My dad is very
My in-law, my landlord.
Landlord,
I will teach you a lesson.
Daddy, everything.
Metu of here.
Yeah, so Ghana Boys, watch out. Yawa Boys, we are showing live on the Atishimai TV and Wuche TV. Love Boys, too much.